We have to start thinking of COVID as a constant.
It's an unsettling thought.
Is allowing us the opportunity to really innovate.
But strategic planner Andrew Smith says school districts need to face the harsh reality.
We are in probably one of the most disruptive periods of time for public education that America has ever seen. Now is the time to do things differently.
Smith's job is to do just that for the roughly 18,000 students in the Rowan-Salisbury School District in North Carolina, making plans, a lot of them, for what could happen next. You've got scenario 1 all the way down to scenario 13 here.
Yes.
Any questions about that?
A mixture of in-person and remote learning, an iPad for every student, and staff focused on emotional support for students, all measures helping to keep the district's school doors open even amid the current Omicron wave. The superintendent says they're taking a long view of educating in a pandemic.
And we've got to figure out how we respond to problems that we don't even know about yet.
Under federal relief bills, Congress allocated $190 billion for schools to respond to the pandemic. The Department of Education says much of that money has gone towards school climate systems and hiring mental health professionals. In Salisbury, the district received about $70 million over a 3-year period and is using funds for smaller classes, enhanced ventilation systems, more nurses, and Wi-Fi hotspots throughout the community. Smith says he looked to the business sector for ideas.
If Disney World was going to bring back customers into their parks, they were going to do it in a way that was likely very safe.
It's commonplace now, but back in March of 2020, these safety protocols, like social distancing, didn't exist, and educators were scrambling.
We were paralyzed to know what to do next. The guidance was changing constantly, and so we needed a way to move forward and think ahead.
You've got more than 25 desks here, but only 10 students will fill this room.
That's correct.
The district has seen few outbreaks recently. These proactive measures provide stability to students like senior Rachel McCullough.
It shows me that this district cares about not only the students' learning or academics, but their safety as well.
A district that plans to keep learning about how best to teach. Rahima Ellis, NBC News, Salisbury, North Carolina.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.